Well, good evening, everyone. This is the new orientation webinar. We're so excited that you joined us this evening. You are in for such a treat. You now have your exclusive membership that you can start taking advantage of. And we're so excited to be sharing this information with you tonight so that you can learn more about your website, how it works, where to book travel, where to get your insider rates, and so much more. You know, with your website, it comes with member benefits and advantages where you can start traveling as an insider. You have those deeply discounted rates. And now that you have your own travel website, this is now where you can have your friends, your family, people that you know, co-workers, book on your travel website, and you earn every single time. We also have a 150% price guarantee, meaning that we guarantee that we will beat all other highly advertised websites. Now, just to remind you, travel and tourism is the largest industry in the world. It's $8 trillion each and every year. That breaks down to $18 billion a day, 12 million a minute. These numbers are staggering. Now you can have a pen and paper handy. We're going to show you where your customers book on your website. They're going to book on your Vortex. This is comparable to other highly advertised websites. How you get there is myvortex365.com and your URL. This is where your customers will go to book their travel. Now, as a member, you book your travel on the Surge website, and how you get there is you go to my.surge365.com and your URL. And this is where you're going to see those insider pricings and also that 150% price guarantee. Now, you also have what we call a back office. This is where you can view and track your commissions, book travel at insider rates. You also have training videos and so much more. You get there to your back office by going to my.surge365.com, and your URL is at the end of that. Now, your marketing website is where someone can go and watch a video. They can also register to sign up to receive additional information. That website is surge365.com and your URL. Say, for instance, you also have someone that decide they too want to travel with insider rates, and they decide that they want to get a website. Well, this is also on your marketing website where they can actually join to get that exclusive membership. Now, again, we all know this is the perfect business that's open 24/7. Literally, you earn money while you sleep. You get paid to do what you're going to already do anyway. And I love the fact that there's no experience required. You have unlimited income potential, and we have step-by-step training that's right at your fingertips. So now what I would like to do is show you live, give you a web tour of the website. So one moment while I set that up for you. Okay, here we go. Now, this is a website now that you're looking at. I absolutely love traveling to Jamaica. It's absolutely beautiful. And I wanted you to see the price for this 4-star resort for 1 week is $380 per night. Now, when you total that with the taxes and fees for an entire week, that comes to about $2,277. Now, if you are a Surge member, which you are, now you can book that on your very own website. Let's take a look. As a Surge member, with your exclusive membership, now that same resort Instead of it being $2,200, look at this, $149. That's absolutely awesome. Now, this is only for the resort stay. It does cover you for an entire week. That's not $149 per day. This is actually going to be for the entire trip. What I also want to let you know that when you go to this resort, this particular property with the all-inclusive, you would pay additional $140 per night, which would cover you for the entire week. So that comes to about $900 that you would pay to stay at this all-inclusive resort, which is about half of what the other highly advertised websites charge. Now let's look at another example. Now the Vortex, remember, this is where your customers are going to go and book their travel. On the Vortex, this is an example to Cancun, Mexico for an entire week. Now, when we scroll down, you're going to see different properties. On the left-hand side, it says sort by. You can sort by the savings and the dollar amount. You can also sort low to high, but you can also put a specific hotel name right here and click submit if you're looking for a particular property. But now you see the public price. That tells your customer what other highly advertised websites are charging for this particular property and those dates. Here is our price for the Vortex. So your customers would pay $430 for this particular property versus $529. So you saved your customer $100. They're going to be very happy because you helped them to save. You're going to be happy because this savings is the cash rewards that's going to be mailed to you, all because you helped your customers to save that particular amount. Let's say, for instance, they wanted this property. They saved $967. Guess what? This $967 would be your commission that will be mailed to you, your cash reward. I absolutely love it. So now let's look at another example. If you were a Surge member, this same property for Cancun, one moment, this same property for Cancun for 1 week, let's look at it. $149 for all of these different properties that you see here. Amazing. What about renting a car? Let's say you want to rent a car in Cancun for maybe 6-7 days. This particular car on your Surge website for the exclusive member is $1.52 per day. This car for 6 days is $7.60. $7, all the way down. That's absolutely awesome. Again, this is because you are an exclusive member, you're able to get those insider rates and insider pricings. Now let's look at cruising. You have hotels, cruises, cars, flights, so much on your website, even excursions. But when we look at cruising, we're going to look at leaving from Miami for around January of next year. Let's look at the rates. For a 7-night Eastern Caribbean, $333. This one, $513. Again, these are absolutely awesome pricing for cruising. Now what I want to do is show you some other items that are on your website. Here is where you're going to see the website in different languages. Here is where it's translated from the US dollar to other monies in other countries. This talks about the price guarantee. If you click that, it'll tell you all about the price guarantee. But now what I want to do is show you lifestyle. Under lifestyle, you have so many other items that you can book. You can book golf excursions, tea times, right on your very own Surge website. Again, the Surge site is for the member. This is for training purposes only. This is the new orientation webinar. For golf tee times, you can go here and select, all these different locations that you can do golf excursions. And again, there's other items that you can book. Let's go to gift cards. You can actually purchase gift cards right on your website. Again, you see the Applebee's, the Chili's restaurant. You have so many others, Olive Garden, even department stores. When you or your customers book travel, you earn and accrue credits, and those credits accumulate over time. Those credits can be used to purchase other items where you don't actually have to pay cash right out of your pocket. So again, this Applebee's is a $25 credit. They would just deduct the points or the credits from your account. Again, it doesn't have to come right out of your pocket, which I absolutely love. So let's go back to lifestyle. I want to look at restaurant savings. You can actually purchase a $100 gift certificate for just $11. So right here it says this gift certificate gives you a choice of 18,000 participating restaurants nationwide. When you click here, it's going to ask you to enter your zip code, and you'll see lots and lots of restaurants all across the country that participate. And this is phenomenal. $11 for a $100 certificate. I think that's absolutely awesome. You also have other shopping that you can do. You can shop at different department stores. You can buy flowers and so much more. But I want you to see this category column. This is where you can shop for appliances, automotives, books, business, clothing, computers, and so much more, all on your website. And you see here, it says reward credits. Reward credits, right? It's going to tell you for that particular store what credits you would earn. And again, over time, you're just continuing to accrue those credits every time customers book or you book yourself as the exclusive member. Also, let me share with you a second place on your website, which is all under lifestyle, that you can go and book flights or other travel-related products and services. And that's right here where it says travel and vacations. Once you click this, it's going to take you to other areas on your website where you can actually purchase flights, vacation, activities, excursions. So let's take a look. Here you're going to see cheap O'Air, cheap tickets, Air France, airport parking. You can also go to the next page on page 2. There's a second page there, and you will see other items that you can purchase right on your very own website. Here you see Travelocity. You got it. That's one of your business partners that's on your website. Vendors is what we call them. But again, you can't go directly to these websites. You have to go through your search to make sure that you get a great deal, but you're also going to earn credits each and every time. So I just wanted you to pay attention to that other place where you can actually book travel, flights, and other products that are related to travel. So let's go back, because there's a couple of other items that I would like to show you that's on the actual website. Here, this says timeshare. I want you to understand this is not timeshare. This is telling you that for a timeshare owner, they can actually go to the Surge website, list their particular property for a weekend or a week, and they actually benefit. So here it explains how they can do that. It says exchange the week that you have for the week that you want. And here it says redeem for hotels, cars, cruises, airfare. And here it talks about listing the week for rent, and that where they can set their own price. Again, this is for someone that already owns a timeshare. They would love this if they can go here and list their property for an entire week right on the website. So now what I'd like to do is show you your back office. Again, that's my.surge365.com/your URL. So we're going to put in a demo site with the password. Once you log into your back office, that opens up so much information that is right at your fingertips that you can take advantage of with the actual back office. So as this continues to come up, you're going to see on the right-hand side, this is where your actual name is going to show. When you call the corporate office, they're going to ask you, what is your Surge ID number? This is where that number is located. And here, if you click the edit button, you can edit any information that you see here, your phone number, your email address. You can also get your URLs right here from this area. Here is where it has a welcome email. The first one that I click says Surge Business Associate. This gives you step-by-step what you would need to do. It talks about welcoming you. Step 1 is watch this important video from the president of the company. Step 2 is where you download the Surge app. And step 3 is where you register for the tax bot. This is great because this tells you all the tax deductions that you will be able to have access to because you are now a business owner. Then it talks about the 50K challenge and also how you can just stay connected. Here under welcome, you also have the Surge membership, which also give you step-by-step once you click that, where you can get more information under the welcome email. Now also under your back office, when you scroll down, this link will actually take you to your Surge website where you can book travel for you and your family. This is again where you get the insider pricing. This is very important, this Surge mobile app. Go to your app store and download the Surge mobile app. This gives you access to so much information. It allows you to prospect your business, send videos to your prospects, and so much more. This is very important that you download that Surge mobile app. Now, this is the demo site, but in your actual back office, you also have what we call TaxBot. That's where, again, we talked about you can go there, get information on how you can start saving your receipts and get information on what you can tax deduct each and every year because you are a business owner. In this area, if someone decides they want to get a website with you, this is where you will go and see how many you need for your next bonus, because every 7 produces a $1,000 bonus for you when you're in your team builder group. This is a menu button here. If you hover over this, you will see where you can look at your earnings, look at different reports, also manage your team, and so much more right here under this menu tab. You also can look at the top and see who your sponsor is, as well as your team builder and your regional builder and national director, national builder and marketing director. All of that is going to be at the very top here in your actual back office. But there's so much information that's right at your fingertips. Again, we are so excited that you decided to get your actual exclusive membership with Surge 365. There's so much that's open. The world is opened up to you. Now you can go and take you and your family on that dream vacation that you've always wanted. But we highly recommend that you spend 20 to 30 minutes, maybe a day, every day or every other day, just clicking different items, learning your website. And what's also most important, get back with your sponsor so that you can schedule your grand opening to introduce your business to your family members and also introduce them to your friends. So again, congratulations everyone on your new exclusive membership, and have a great, great night. Thank you so, so much for joining us.